Premier Carrollwood neighborhood, spacious Tampa, Florida townhouse, for sale, unincorporated Hillsborough County. 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths is move-in ready. Add your personal touches to this space and enjoy a private setting with wood-burning fireplace and large outdoor wood deck attached to a multi-purpose bonus room. No rear neighbors with open view of community. Tile and carpeted flooring, excellent kitchen space with ample countertop space with an island butler on wheels for added storage/surface area, large pantry, stainless steel newer appliances. Convenient half bath and indoor washer/dryer closet downstairs. A large family room leads to a 2 separate door entry climate-controlled multi-purpose bonus room which opens to an outdoor patio with deck space perfect for barbecue, sunshine and entertaining guests. A large storage closet off bonus room for convenient access to your belongings. Upstairs is master suite, master bathroom, 2 bedrooms and 1 other full bath. Convenient front door parking spaces. The HOA fees, $361 monthly, includes water and trash, exterior building and landscape, community pool, and tennis courts, roof and building insurance. Ring doorbell security conveys with home. Located conveniently to shopping, restaurants, retail,